up mga bang? It's your boy K2 and you're watching K2's Adventures. Today, I just got off work and I'm about to test out my new GoPro Hero 10. I'm using it right now. So let's do it. Let's check this out. Test him out, test him out. Well, so far so good, guys, except for the lighting. For a moment, kinda not liking the lighting, but we'll see when we start editing the videos. Looks good though. I'm liking it because it's so light, easy to use. So far, the review is great, you know. Love it. The camera's smooth, seems like. Hopefully the mic is good. You guys can hear me pretty okay. And I'll do some more when I get home though. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to ride my longboard. I guess that's it for now. That's all for the testing for today, and I'm gonna do more later on, probably next couple months. I have a adventure coming up, a big one, and I want you guys to check it out soon. Okay, thank you, bye.